Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Madayan Agustin with NPM 2441205, class EKT 24A. We will be present the material job order costing. Job order costing definition. Job order costing accumulates all production costs per individual job order rather than averaging across mass production, ideal for intermittent custom manufacturing, where each order has unique client specification. Example, custom furniture tailored wedding gowns, welding arrange, book printing. Core process, track direct materials, direct labor factory, overhead per job, calculate total job cost, divide by order units determined. Selling price and job profit, why use it? Provide price profitability per customer. Essential for bidding tenders pricing service. Un- Unlike process costing for continuous production, like beverage comment. Kay advance traceability every rupiah to specific client. Characteristic detail slide 3. Job order costing characteristic. 5 defining characteristic. First, intermittent production. Job starts, stop, no continuous flow. Second, client-driven specification. Each order unique dimension materials design. Third, job sheet record cost individually for each order number. 4. Total cost calculate only after job completion. Unlike estimates, fifth unit cost equals total production cost divided by 1,000 order units. Products delivery directly to customer. Trackable unit, no inventory mixing. Real world fit furniture makers, wedding planners, shippers, not for soda bottling. WhatsApp for know your internship company custom or mess. Job cost trackability enables pricing bidding, win profitable contracts, components, breakdown slide 4. Other cost components. Third core cost elements track per job. First direct material cost. Fully trackable to specific order worth 100 million for executive tables fabric for wedding gown. Second direct labor cost. Carpenter Taylor design house target directly 60 million carpenter time. Third factory overhead cost. Allowed using per determined rate 20,000 per machine hour times 2,000 hours equals 4 million overheads. Total job cost equals DMC plus DLC plus FOC overhead. Application critical estimates annual overhead defeat by allocation based machine hours labor hours. Example rate 200 million estimate overhead divide by 10,000 machine hours equals 20,000 per hours applied to job demo Excel preview. Watch components solve automatically. Accurate tracking prevent cost distortion. Formula application slide 5. Job order unit cost formula. Master formula for unit cost equals 100 million direct materials plus 60 million direct labor plus 40 million factor overhead equals 200 million. Total job cost divided by 1,000 units equals 200,000 per unit. 5-step calculation. Step 1. Estimate accurate DMC DLC per order space. Step 2. Apply overhead equals 20,000 per hour times actual job hours. Step 3. Sum child elements total job cost. Step 4. Divide total by complete units HPP. Step 5. Markup 50% determines standard price there 100,000 per unit. Live Excel demo. Input material 60 labor 40 overhead auto total 100,000 unit price. Variance check actually 2007 million versus estimates equals for 3.5% investigation overhead. Tender success, purchasing costing wins bid. Stack details slide 6. Job order cost calculation stakes. For structured stakes, stakes 1 planning. Identify order received detailed client space estimate 200 million, total tender 300 million. Stake 2 cost accumulation. Job sheet record actual direct material 100 million, direct labor 65 million, applied overheads for T2 million. Stake 3 job completion. Total actual 207 million, divide 1,000 units equals 207,000 variance plus 3.5% analysis over years. Stake 4 invoicing. Adjust final invoice client call payment close job sheet. What's up quick question with stake most error prone. Accumulation for tracking job sheet to slide 7. Simple calculation example. Practical furniture workshop eagerly order case. Direct material worth 100 million, direct labor carpenter 60 million, applied factory overhead 40 million. 1,000 per hour times 2,000, grand total 200 million divide 1,000 units equals 200,000 per unit. Complex journal entries. Debit work in process job equal 160 million. Credit raw materials cash X. Job completion debit finished goods 200 million. Credit work in process. Sell debit cost of goods sold. Credit finished goods. Profit calculation. Tender 300,000 minus cost 200,000 equals 100,000 profit per unit. Variance insight. Actual labor 65 million versus estimate equals investigation of time. Excel 30. Number match perfectly. Job sheet and order card. Job sheet or order card equals primary control document. Chronological records all call for job number 001. Direct materials column 100 million, direct labor 60 million, factory overhead 40 million, running balance 200 million, unique job number, insurance perfectibility from material requisition to invoice. Supervisor sync of various entries according modern ERP Excel. Auto accumulates cost monitors progress versus budget estimates 190 million. Flex positive variance early multiple sheets. Work in process subsidiary ledger reconciliates general ledger control. Job order vs process costing comparison. Job order costing Excel in custom intermittent trackable individual job furniture trailer one order 1,000 unit 200,000 per unit. Flexible specification specific job cost process costing. Perfect continuous mass production average equivalent units drain instant noodles skirming non-stop 100,000 units per month, 50,000 per unit average. Cost job order. Unique client space. Process high volume standardization flow. Conclusion. Key takeaways. Job order costing perfect custom. Manufacturing accurately calculate to 100 million. Direct materials label overhead per job sheet 1,000 units determines their 100,000 tender price profit takeable plus their 0.5% variance control. Versus mass process costing. Implement job sets ERP, modern cost accounting enables competitive purchasing, precise profitability analysis. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.